Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download listing optimization checklist for Amazon Seller Central step by step clearly. To download the listing optimization checklist for Amazon Seller Central, start by navigating to your web browser. In the search bar, type in Amazon Seller Central and press enter. Once you land on the Amazon Seller Central homepage, locate the login section. Enter your Amazon Seller Central credentials and click on the Sign In button. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Seller Central dashboard. Look for the Help menu located in the top right corner of the page. Click on the Help menu to reveal a drop-down list. In the drop-down menu, find and select Help. This action will open a new page with various support options. Next, look for the search bar on this Help page. Type Listing Optimization Checklist into the search bar and press enter. Review the search results to find the relevant checklist document. Once you find the Listing Optimization Checklist link, click on it. This will take you to a page with information about the checklist. On this page, look for a download option, usually indicated by a button. Click the download button to begin downloading the checklist. After clicking the button, the checklist will be saved to your device. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Finally, open the checklist and start using it to optimize your Amazon listings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.